back to my channel, and I'm Nora Crystal, and today I think I'm going to be building again, but today we are going to be building something really special. Okay, so, oh hi, my sister account. Okay, let me go to my home and click the gingerbread house. Yeah, that I did last time. I did make the kitchen Christmas stuff. Wait, huh? Why is Rika is in my house? Never mind. Let's just get going back to my house. Okay, well, first so guys, newly making the makeup for dragon, so it kind of takes a long time. But actually, in the last video, I tried to making the reindeer, but I kind of make wrong of them. I have to put something really important behind. Yeah, I don't know who's that. Okay, so I guess I don't put it. Okay, so this is what our kitchens look like. So today I'm going to be making some hack like a food for Christmas. So let's get going to the pizza place in the pool and take this chopping board. Actually, this is sick. You can making a cake by a chopping board. Okay, and also don't forget to buy a tree. So go to the decoration, buying a ketchup. So when you put it, it's kind of look like, I don't know. It's kind of look like something. Yeah, it's look like the strawberry. So this is a decoration that we have to put really quickly. Oh, I don't want to waste my time. Okay, so our cake, our big cake, I'm going to be putting like this. Oh my god, this look good. Where's the board? Oh, it's here. So the next one, putting up, putting this back. Oh my god, I'm going to be sure you guys really quickly. I don't want to spend much. I don't want to waste you guys' time. So I buy a lot. It's okay because we have a lot of money right now for Christmas. I bought it for a video and for the Christmas. Oh my god, it's still. It's okay because it's so cheap. I just have to put a lot of my money. Finally, we have to put it like this. Okay, so take a look. So you guys can make like this like me. So I actually making the rainbow case look so adorable, and also I put a donut with a squirrel. Yeah, and this is a chicken here. I don't know. But anyways, let's just get going to the apple. Okay guys, so I have a kind of a cool idea to making something great for my frosty room. So first, get going to the party. I have to do it really fast. Okay, so buy about 2 medium and putting right here. So it look great, right? And put it the color to be the white. And after, let's buy some berries. Wow, this is a great room. Okay, we don't put this, you guys can color it. Okay, so it's I'm making the floor white. We're doing it like this. And the next one is still go to the pizza place and buy a chopping board. So it's putting like this. Okay, so we actually can put like this, so it's like we're walking around with a snow type, yeah. And also the next really important, let me do this, and they're going to be simple shape and buying a brick. Putting kind of wide like this. Yes, it's kind of great. And putting like is a igloo. And also this is kind of the ice like igloo houses, so it's kind of cool. See? Yeah, let me buy some more brick. So this is going to be my neon rose room. I hope she like it. Oh my god, she says she love everything. Hey. So I can put this color really quickly. Something like this. Nice job. Okay, so the next one. Go to the gingerbread and buying some gingerbread cute stuff. Buying the gingerbread bed. It looks sick, right? But it's not only for me, it's for my firstie too. And also we we're just going to be buying the foil lamp, like a cute lamp right here, the ginger jumper. No, I don't need that. But actually I kinda need to making the reindeer. No, I need making but I don't know how to make a frost dragon. Oh my god, but it's going to take so long to making the frost dragon. So I'm gonna try. How is it going to be working? Putting the blue. And it has an ear, right? Yeah. Okay, so we're putting like this. Yeah, it's kind of like a wing like here, so it look like the first dragon behind. And actually when you put the wings, this is wing to okay. Oh my god, I think it's kind of cringe. Okay, so I actually made it like this. It's a sitting frost dragon, maybe. Yeah. Oh my god. What is my first dragon? I think my first is going to be mad about this. Oh my god. Frosty said it's fine, man. Oh my god, let me put a fit. God, how to put a fit? Oh my god, wait. Go to, oh my god. Then take this, putting like a bag here. And putting... I'm putting the blue. I guess so. And actually you can put a dish, like a hand. As a blue hand. And the bat is going to be blue too, because it's for the first dragon. Oh my god. Okay, so let me take this off. Go away. To go back here, so it's like he's a human or something. Yeah, but I hope it's good. Biting a bowl. No, I think a board is bad to be the face. I'm going to be putting something really nice. Let me see. Go to the cute. Here! Oh my god, my money. I'm going to color it blue and put the face like this. Aww. Oh my god, this is actually a first dragon. I think everyone kind of stressed out of this. I hope you guys like it. I think my Frosty is actually mad right now that why the face is, why himself is so ugly. Okay, so I guess I'm making a fruit like this, and also I have to take a fruit making the cool bed. I'm going to be buying a lot of brick. Putting up as blue. Okay guys, so I'm actually done with the Frosty bed. It looks kind of really cute, I guess. So, well, right now go to the pet and getting a bed for it. 100, oh my money. I have to hide it quickly. So how to hide it quickly is thing like this. Yeah. I stole it. Dun, da, da. Okay guys, so while we don't put the frost, and what about the E stuff? So the E stuff, I'm going to be putting like a water drill. And the pet food, but the pet food with a bread. Haha. Ta-da! So the first can eat a bread, can drink a waterfall. So that's what she can eat. Oh my god, what do you guys think of our video today? The bed first dragons look so good for my bed first, and still haven't sleep for the first dragon. Also, this is where it is. Yeah. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to click the subscribe button to the crystal to see some more amazing video. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Actually, today I spent about $30,000. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And well guys, so see you guys in the next video. Actually, Leon is not video, but I think this she was going to be it. So bye!